Alright guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and tonight we are actually going to be replacing the factory low beam headlight bulbs in this 2006 Honda Pilot. Now this will vary from, I think it is 03 all the way up to 08 if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so the low beam is actually this bulb right here. One of them is burnt out, and alright, you can see what I'm talking about now. Now this is just a running light. Whenever you turn on your headlights, that always comes on. I've replaced that bulb, this bulb. I've replaced both low beams before because there's a video on the channel with fog lights from before when I replaced one of these. As you can see the difference. Low beam, running light, marker light, and then you got your turn signal up here. Yeah, turn signals up here, and then I've already got LEDs in the high beam, and I'll flip those on real quick so you can see those. And now I'm actually going to be installing these that I picked up tonight from AutoZone. These are fog light brand, but everybody uses them for the low beam. The brand size is H11. Camera's not wanting to focus tonight. 26 watts, 1800 looms, 6500K ultra bright LED. There's the bulbs. They have the fancy fans on them. There's $50 AutoZone. There's all the good stuff off the back of it. It says off-road use only, but guess what? I get blinded all the time, and I'm getting tired of it, so payback's coming. Anyway, so I'm going to go turn the high beams on so you can see what those look like with the LEDs, and then we'll go ahead and get started with the low beam. And camera's not wanting to focus, but you see the difference. It's pretty damn bright. Yeah, really bright. Alright, we're going to start with the side that's burnt out first. Alright, so this is your high beam. You can already tell this is the one with the little fan motor, so this is the HID, or LED. High low beam is way over here. You got to turn it. Should be counterclockwise. Yeah. And then, well, push the tab out. Oh, good gracious. Pretty much have to have two hands when you do this. You push the tab on the very bottom of the connector down, and then take your other hand and push the connector back, and then it pops right off. Turn it counterclockwise. If I get my hand out of there, you can see you're going to go up with it counterclockwise. Turn it, pops right out. Now see, these are not no cheapo either. I put the highest brand that I could find in this probably about a year ago, and they burn out already. Alright, so here's the handy dandy LED. Even though these ain't really like the other bulbs, still don't touch them on the end. I really would not recommend that. But anyway, it does read on the tag that if it does not work when you plug it up like it's supposed to be, turn it around and plug it up. So, first of all, we're going to put the bulb in, make sure that it fits. Snug area on this side with the air box in the way. Alright, it's pretty much going to be the same process on this side. Push down on the tab. Can actually probably get this one with one hand. This one goes counterclockwise too. It goes up and wiggle it. Pops it right out. Alright. The LED bulb. You might want to plug it in first. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. pretty much put it into where the cord's facing that way, and then lock it in. Make sure it's pushed in all the way where the seal's pressed, like so, and then make sure that it's tight and snug clockwise. Same way for both sides. Alright. Lights on. My camera is not wanting to focus tonight. It is too dang cold. And it looks a lot brighter. Yeah, it's doing the same thing with these too. Something to do with the camera, can't pick it up good enough. That one seems brighter for some reason. Heck yeah, buddy. That is bright. Set the bulbs out of the way. This light out of the way. That's a lot better. Now let's go take it for a test drive and see how good it is in pure darkness. If my camera was a lot better, you'd be able to see the light a lot better. But it's in person, it's a whole lot different. I promise you it is. For 50 bucks, it's really not that bad. It's cheaper than the regular halogen junk that looks yellow whenever you have lights. But this is without fog lights, and this is low beam. Turn the fog lights on, it kind of helps some. So now you can see it. It shines up pretty far, and I like the light because it's that bluish tint color, white. And you flip on high beam. High beam's pretty much like the same type of bulbs, and they're a little bit brighter. Whole lot better. Way bigger of a difference. I can actually see now. So, alright. I guess that's going to wrap this video up. I hope whatever I did helped you out. Maybe you'll go and check these bulbs out. Not a sponsor. Nobody paid me to say this or buy these bulbs. I pretty much done it on my own with my own money. So, honestly, in my opinion, check them out. They seem to be really good. I'm going to conclude this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. How to repair videos are on the channel, and much of other more content's on there as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. I will catch you in the next one. Make sure you have the notification bell on so every time I upload, you get the notification. Thanks. Catch you in the next one.